respect, and fairness in all of my actions. I will complete to the best of my ability, always showing integrity and respect for my teammates, opponents, coaches, and officials. I will strive to represent my team and community with pride, dedication, and honor, understanding that true victory comes from giving my best effort, regardless of the outcome.
Thank you. অর্থাৎ তোমরা সবাই প্রতিজ্ঞাবদ্ধ